How to enable location sharing in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enable location sharing in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enable location sharing in Google Maps, all you have to do is go ahead and basically open the Google Maps application here. Once you launch the Google Maps app, you'll be able to see this type of interface, where what you need to do is tap the profile icon here and then just go to location sharing. In order to enable location sharing, first of all, enable the GPS location on your phone. You can share it up to for 1 hour or 2 hours as to how much you can increase this, or you can select until you turn it off. So depending upon what you select, you can directly select this location option and just send it to any people by sending a link and by copying the link over here. Once you copy the link, just give it the location services and then you should be able to enable location sharing. Now whoever has this link will be able to click on it and will be able to view your current location. This way you'll be able to enable location sharing in Google Maps. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.